So first off, I'm sorry. I have a little bit of a cold. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So today I'm going to be actually doing an unboxing. So I've been pretty much waiting this, waiting by the door ever since I placed this order, because I'm really excited about what I got. So I'm kind of on this low waste thing right now, which I love doing right now. I love helping the environment. So on top of that, I'm going to be actually starting working. So right before I started posting my my low waste videos, I actually got a job. So I'm really excited about that. It'll be the next couple weeks before I start. But I was actually really looking forward to trying out this Lunchbox. So I'm going to be just doing unboxing and just give you my impressions of it. So first off, so it is an Alder Live stackable lunchbox. So it has different compartments and you put it together and stuff. So it's kind of hard to explain it. So let me show you guys the box. Pretty standard Amazon box. Get my knife out here and open it up. Yeah, it's a box instead of a box. So first off, my service dog vest finally came. I had to order a new vest because it was getting kind of, not very good. So, box. It's pretty heavy. Whoa. About 2 pounds for what the website said. Okay, I thought that would be a different color, but okay. So this here, I think is the spoon. It comes with the reusable spoon right here. I think it folds down. It's kind of neat. It was really. So I think it's supposed to fold down. Like this. And it goes into this pouch. That's really neat. I really like that. It actually comes in the box, or in the bag. It's in the bag. So I thought the bag would be a little bit darker than this, which is okay. I didn't think the straps would be this color, but whatever. So I think from what you understand, it has like some pockets here. You can put some pockets and stuff. Probably be putting that in there. So let's open this up. Yay, more plastic. So it's like a insulated bag, like this. It's pretty neat. So there's 6 colors on the website. I got pink. It has like a little strap handles. This feels like silicone or something. First off, this is not leak proof. So if you do put like soups or something in it, it probably will leak. So yeah. So this is plastic. I couldn't find any other ones really that I really liked that were metal. This does not go, you cannot put this in the dishwasher. Of course, the microwave either. So it said it will keep things warm in your lunchbox, in the bag actually, for up to 3 hours if it's insulated, and 2 hours if it's just like this. So let's just kind of take it apart and show you guys, because this is pretty neat. So you got this like a little container here you can put stuff in. It connects to the bottom, and another thing. So you can actually put stuff in here. Secure this. Put some stuff in here. Screw it down on this one, and then take the other section off. Put stuff in here, so you can fit I think you can probably fit quite a bit of stuff in here. It's another container. Kind of has a little bit of plastic smell to it, but yeah. So of course you get the point. And I guess this you can be used as a bowl or store more stuff in, and then of course this here too. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 storage, like six like little storage containers, 6 storage containers, which I think is neat. Like I said, I really like the color. It looks like it's pretty good quality, hope. And I'll put in the link in the description box. I'll put the link in the description box of where I got this at on Amazon and stuff. So I can't wait to try this out and see how it works. I had something similar to this when I was in Washington, and it was just a metal container. But I'm looking forward to this because looks like you can store a lot of stuff in it for lunches and breakfast and supper and everything else like that. So I'm going to be testing this out here in the next couple days. And yep. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And also hit the bell notifications so you can be updated anytime that I upload a video. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.